Stephanie Feller with the RooferChicks, and we have a super exciting announcement. In January of 2022, we are going to start a handyman division. We have noticed that there is a lack of handyman services in our area, and our goal is to create a handyman division where we show up when we say we're going to show up, we do what we say we're going to do, and we give you the same service that you've come to expect from RooferChicks. The kind of things we can do for you are simple drywall repairs, dorm door installation. We could swap out ceiling fans or even just hang pictures or curtains, whatever you need us to do. So if you are interested in our handyman services, just call our office. The number is 830-629-7663. Looking forward to it.